how to transfer photos from Samsung or Android to iPhone. Now there are a few different ways how you can do this, but the easiest way is when you first reset your iPhone and when you first set up your iPhone. So here if I set up my iPhone and then select your country or region, and on the iPhone select appearance, so we can choose default, medium, and then tap on continued. And here it says set up without another device, so we tap on that. Here, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so put in your Wi-Fi password. Next, here I'm going to move on. So tap on continued, and tap on continued, continued. Here, I'll tap on, so select primary, because I have multiple SIMs in here, so asking me additional questions. Here, tap on continued, and then select adult, and tap on set up for later. So here, ask me to put in a PIN, so set up a PIN. Okay, so this is the part where you can transfer photos from your Android device over to your iPhone. So select from Android and then tap on continued. So on your Android, you need to get an app called Move to iOS. So you can go to Play Store and look for Move to iOS and click on the install button. Now because I have already installed, so I can tap on open and agree and continued, agree. And I'll choose don't send, and I'll choose connect with Wi-Fi. Here it can detect my iPhone over here, so I tap on it and then tap on continued. So I put in the code 0657571, and now it is connecting and pairing. Okay, so in here to transfer the photos over, you want to go down and select the items that you want to transfer over. So here we've got photo library. Okay, now while you're here, if you want, you can transfer other things as well. So messages, contacts, call history, events, Google account, voice memos, apps, and other things. So for ease of demonstration, I will just simply select photo library and tap on continued. Okay, so now the photos are being transferred over to your iPhone. Now the other options is to use cloud services such as Google Photos on Android phone and on your iPhone. If you do that, it will allow you to move photos from Android over to iPhone without having to set up your device or without having to restart reset your device. Okay, so here I will log in and then tap on continued. And here it will ask me to sign into Apple account. I can do that later on. So I'll set up later in settings, don't use, and agree, and I'll tap on continued, and not now, set up later, okay. Here I'll set up this later in settings, and tap on continued, continued, not now, and continued, continued. And then tap on not now, and then I'll set up see you later and continued. Okay, so now we are to the home screen. If I tap on photos, and it shows no photos or videos. Okay, so give it some time for the photos to be transferred over. Okay, so shortly you can see photos are now appearing in albums. So if I go back in here, open up photos, so these photos are now being transferred over to the iPhone. And so that is one of the ways how you can transfer photos over. Okay, so the other way is to use Google Photos. So with Google Photos, you can add photos to the Google Photos app. And on your iPhone, you also want to go to the App Store, and in the App Store, you want to install Google Photos as well. So install that, and from your home screen, when it has finished installing, you can open up to access your photos from your Android device. Once you open up Google Photos on the iPhone, you can also download and save to your local photos album. Now another option is to use the computer transfer method. So you can connect your Android phone to the PC and then copy the photos to a folder. After that, connect your iPhone to the computer and open up iTunes, and you can drag the photos into the folder section in iTunes or Finder if you are using a Mac computer. So this is a slower process. You need to transfer the photos from Android phone to the computer, then the computer to the iPhone. And that's it. Those are the 3 main methods that you could use to transfer photos over. So you can see, let's say I'm running out of storage space. Here you can see once I have logged into my Google account, I can view the photos. I can open it. And here, if you want, you can select the files. And then we try to save it to files. So tap on Share. And then go down and choose Save to Files. And that will allow you to save to files. And tap on Save. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.